Hello everyone, thank you for joining us here on our new What's New from PhD Virtual Backup and Replication 6.5. One of the main features we've added in this release is backup archiving. Now really what backup archiving is a great new offsite capability. It'll automate the ability to replicate backup copies to a different location. Now of course backup archiving can send backup data to the cloud, and we support Amazon, Google, Rackspace, any OpenStack provider, as well as one of the new updates under Cloud Hook updates here for PHD 6.5 is we've added support for a generic S3 compatible cloud storage platform. Now the archive process is pretty savvy. So one thing that PHD has always done is try to be as efficient as possible with our data. So we do global deduplication when we do our backups, and we'll deduplicate across all the VMs that we store on a particular backup target. So backup archiving is really a background process that allows you to replicate your backups offsite, and you can choose which backups from that globally deduplicated store you want to actually archive. It doesn't have to be the entire store. You can choose whether or not you want to sync the entire backup target and just keep an exact copy in a different location. But you can also choose to just have a couple of backups locally in your environment for fast recovery, and then archive specific VM backups or all of your VM backups to a different location for long-term retention. Your archive storage target can have long-term retention set with your source backup target having shorter-term retention. So that different retention model is certainly a nice to have. Now interval scheduling is another nice feature of the product. So really today the product can do RPOs really down to a daily schedule in a single job. Given the focus of DR, the ability to shorten those RPOs is extremely valuable option for PHD to add into the product. So now you can schedule down to every 15 minutes in a single job for backups and for replication. Another nice thing that we've added just recently is the inclusion of Exchange and SharePoint recovery. And we're leveraging this technology from a partner that's really the leading vendor in this space, Kroll OnTrack. Now, the way that we're delivering this is Exchange and SharePoint recovery via Kroll. That software is built into our enterprise license. So any enterprise user of PHD Virtual Backup and Replication will get the Exchange and SharePoint recovery functionality as a part of that license. All right, well, that ends the session today. I want to thank everyone for joining, and we'll talk to you next time.